Earning money today is easier than ever before with countless opportunities available. So, why are so many of us still struggling financially? The answer is simple. We are not trained to seize these opportunities effectively. Think of it like a radio. If you don't tune it into the right frequency, you won't hear the music. Financial freedom works the same way. In this video, I will show you how to tune into the right frequency to spot and grab the opportunities around you. By the end, you will have the tools you need to start your journey towards the financial independence. Stay with me and let's get started. Remove distractions. You are watching this video because I have mastered overcoming distractions and I want to help you to do the same. Distractions are everywhere and they are a major reason why many of us struggle to reach our goals. Imagine sitting down to solve your financial problems, but a phone notification pulls you into the hours of mindless scrolling on Instagram. These kind of distractions waste your precious time and energy, keeping you far from reaching your full potential. It is a silent killer of productivity and success. But don't worry, I am here to help. While managing them on your own is ideal, it is not always easy. I will show you how to handle distraction in my upcoming videos. I will share practical strategies to eliminate distractions and focus on what really matters. Stay tuned and together we will conquer these obstacles and unlock your true potential. Take care of your mental and physical health. Achieving financial freedom is a journey filled with challenges. It demands solving real-world problems, which requires a significant amount of mental and physical energy. Without taking care of your health, these challenges can overwhelm you. For your mental health, practice meditation and breathing techniques to stay present. Spend a few minutes each day in solitude, reflecting and recharging in a peaceful environment. For your physical health, exercise regularly, whether you join a gym or work out at home. Staying active is crucial. Eat healthy foods and ensure you get enough sleep to rest and rejuvenate your body. These small but vital habits will boost your energy level, helping you stay focused and driven on your path to financial freedom. Take the relevant information. The world is overflowing with information, both online and offline. This abundance can often make it difficult to find what is truly relevant. When faced with limitless options, we can easily become overwhelmed and waste precious time and energy sifting through it all. Not all money-making methods will suit your needs. For example, if you want to learn how to lose weight, a video about rocket engine, while informative, won't help you. Focus on information that directly relate to your goals. By focusing on relevant information, you save time and energy, avoiding pitfalls of getting lost in a sea of knowledge. This targeted approach keeps you on track towards your objectives. Plan everything. You need to plan everything. Decide what you are going to do to earn money. Identify the skill you need to learn and estimate how long it will take to reach your goals. If you don't have a roadmap to your destination, you will get lost along the way, and your chances of success will be less than 0.1%. Planning everything before you start greatly increases your chances of success. I have created a detailed plan to help people like you who feel overwhelmed by information. If you want to raise up and reach your unlimited potential but lack direction, I am here to guide you. I will provide as much as guidance as possible to help you succeed. So, make sure you support this mission by subscribing to the channel and commenting on what topic you would like me to cover in future videos. Some legit ways to make money. There are many ways to make money, but here are 4 legitimate and effective methods. First, content creation. Share your knowledge, skills or passion through blogs, videos or social media. Build an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorship or subscription. Second, selling courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. If you have expertise in a particular area, this can be a great way to generate income while helping others learn. Third, selling product. Whether it's physical goods or a digital product, selling items online through platforms like Estee, Amazon, or your own website can be highly profitable. Focus on creating or sourcing high quality product that meet a specific need or niche. Fourth, providing services. Offer your skills as a freelancer or consultant. This could include anything from graphics designing and writing to coaching and web development. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can help you find clients. In upcoming videos, I will dive deep into each of these methods, providing you with detailed guides and actionable steps to start earning money. This is just the beginning, and I don't want to overwhelm you with too much information all at once. Each of these topics deserve its own videos so you can fully understand and implement these strategies. Join me on this journey towards financial success. We all deserve the freedom to live our best life, and with the right knowledge and tools, we can achieve it.